welcome to Cookid's YouTube channel.
A cunning heron tricks the fish into trusting him, but a clever crab sees through his lies. What happens when the hunter becomes the hunted? Watch till the end to find out. Once upon a time, in a quiet forest, there was a small pond. The pond was home to many fish, and they swam happily in its clear waters. A heron also lived by the pond, but he was not a kind bird. He was cunning and always looked for easy ways to get food. As the years passed, the heron grew old. His wings were not as strong as before, and his sharp eyes were not as quick to spot fish. Hunting became difficult, and he began to worry. If this continues, I will soon starve, he thought. Then an idea came to his mind, a wicked plan to trick the fish. The next morning, the heron sat near the pond, looking sad and crying softly. A little frog, who lived in the pond, saw him and hopped closer. "Why are you crying, heron?" the frog asked curiously. The heron sighed deeply and shook his head. "Oh, dear friend," he said in a sorrowful voice, "I have heard terrible news. This pond is going to dry up soon. All the fish will die, and there will be no water left. I am heartbroken. I will leave for another pond. But what about the fish? They will have nowhere to go." The frog was shocked. He immediately told the fish, and soon fear spread through the entire pond. The fish gathered near the heron. "What should we do?" they asked, panicking. The heron pretended to think. Then, with a wise expression, he said, "I have an idea. There is another pond not too far from here. Every day I can take one fish in my beak and safely carry it to the new pond. That way, you will all be saved." Hearing this, the fish sighed in relief. "Oh, heron, you are so kind and wise. Please take us there," they pleaded. And so the next morning, the heron picked up a fish in his beak and flew away. But instead of taking it to another pond, he carried it to a large rock where he crushed and ate it. The next day, he did the same. Each day, he took a fish, pretending to help. But in reality, he was feasting on them. The fish never suspected anything. They thought the heron was saving their friends, while in truth, he was only making himself stronger. But one day, a clever crab approached the heron. "Please take me to the new pond too," the crab requested. The heron, thinking, "This will be a tasty meal," agreed. He placed the crab on his back and took off. As they flew, the crab looked around and noticed something strange. Near a large rock, he saw piles of fish bones. His heart pounded. "Wait a minute," he thought. "This is not right. The heron has been tricking us all along. He never took the fish to a new pond. He ate them." The crab knew he had to act fast. He tightened his sharp claws around the heron's neck. "You liar!" the crab shouted. "You have been eating all the fish. Now you will pay for your lies." The heron gasped and struggled, but the crab's grip was strong. He flapped his wings desperately, but it was too late. The crab squeezed harder, and with one final gasp, the heron fell from the sky and crashed onto the rocks below, dead. The crab carefully crawled back to the pond and told the remaining fish and animals about the heron's wicked trickery. They were shocked but grateful to the clever crab for stopping the deceitful bird. From that day on, the creatures of the forest learned a valuable lesson. Never trust someone blindly, especially those who seem too good to be true. And so the crab outsmarted the deceiver. But tell me, would you have trusted the heron? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. We'd love to have you as part of our YouTube family. Don't forget to tap the bell for updates.